Viewer, the following content is of an upcoming brand. The aim is to express an experience in the upload and all needed platforms. Please note that this is for marketing purposes. Some of the officials are not confirmed.